Welcome to How to Cook. I'm Bill Cook, and today I'm making salad. You know why? Because I'm a big boy, and I've been eating a lot of stuff lately because I've been making a lot of videos, and I don't like the numbers I see when I get on my scales, so I'm eating a salad. Yeah, that's right. I can do that. I mean, it won't kill me, right? One salad won't kill me. So we're making salad, and I'm making my big salad. Because I'm a big boy and I need a lot of food. And the great thing about salad is that you can have a massive salad and it's really only a couple hundred calories. So that's what we're doing. We're using lettuce for this salad because it's a traditional salad. There are other kinds, but this isn't one of those. So what do we have here? I have some green leaf, I have some iceberg, and romaine. Iceberg is obviously the least interesting here, but it's a nice filler, different contrast, and you know, it's a lot of stuff here. So that's what we're doing. These have already been pre-washed. Wash your vegetables when you bring them home, especially lettuce like this. You'll wash it, wrap it in paper towels, put it back in the bag, stick it in the fridge. This stays much longer, much better. It's fantastic. Green leaf as well. All of this, wash it, wrap it, and then store it. And then it's ready to go whenever you need it. And that's much easier. So that's what we have already done. And you peel the top couple of leaves off. And I've cheated a little bit because, you know, it's a video. So anyways, we're going to get to just basically tearing up some lettuce. A bunch of lettuce because, like I said, this is the big salad. So what constitutes a big salad? A big salad has some sort of protein in it. It has all kinds of fun stuff and neat things and tons of variety. So that when you're biting into this, there's always something different to go at. So we've got, you know, your basic cast of characters. You got your lettuce here that we're tearing up. We have some little tomatoes. I have grape tomatoes, I believe, or cherry tomatoes. I don't know which ones. Is there a difference? I have no idea. I'm a big salad guy, as you can tell. So this is basically just tearing up salad. I'm going to fast forward a little bit because I think you know how to tear up lettuce. All right, that is a pretty good amount of lettuce, I think. This is going to make 2 salads. So this is, yeah, looks like a pretty good amount of lettuce right there. So I'm going to go with that. Now this, you will not believe this, but my dogs love lettuce. So that is where all these bits are going to go, those spines and different things. The bits that most people don't want to eat, that's where that's going. All right, so we're done with our lettuce. I'm going to reset, bring out the rest of the stuff, and show you the rest of this. I'm back, and I've got this stuff, and we're going to get going. So what do we have for the next round? Well, we've got our base of lettuce here with our tres lettuces, as I like to call it, 3 lettuces. You know, for those of you who don't speak the Spanish. I have tomatoes here. These are little cherubs, and these are actually, I don't know what they are. They're grape tomatoes. They're grapes. Cherries are round. These are grapes because they're that. So these have already been washed really good. We're going to take these and put these here. We're going to cut these, every one of them, because I like them cut. Do you ever take a fork and try and grab one of these things as it's rolling over the place? Cut it. Okay. I have green onion that I grow in a pot in my little garden thingy because I don't really have a garden because I don't permanently live here. This is a rental house and a rental kitchen. My real kitchen is somebody else's now. So I live here temporarily while we find another house, except I don't know if you've looked outside. The world's gone insane. So I don't have a real garden at the moment. And so I have a pot in the front courtyard that I stick onions in. Now, fun thing about green onions, you don't have... Green onions are one of those weird things. Okay, so you buy green onions at the store that have a little white end on it. Cut the little white end off, about yay long. Stick that in like a shot glass of some water overnight. And then stick that in some dirt and keep watering it, and onions come out. You don't have to buy any more onions. You just buy the one. There you go. A little tip from me to you. Works great as long as you don't live in a freezing cold climate or where it's 117 every day. That's why these look a little straggly, because it's been a little warm lately. So we're just going to get rid of a couple of those, and the rest of these are, yeah, well, there you go. It literally is 114 degrees outside. So, live in the desert. There you go. So I'm going to set these to the side real quick, and we're going to focus on our cucumber. American cucumber and English cucumber. What's the difference? American cucumbers are covered in wax. This is disgusting, and you can't eat this. It's gross. English cucumbers don't have that. They come in the sleeve to protect them. Who started putting like carnauba wax on these things? I have no idea. But that's why they have that awful icky feel to it. That's why you have to peel one of these, because you cannot eat this skin. If you like doing the little stripes or eating the skin or making any sort of anything, if you're making pickles, you can't use one of these. So it will not work, because the wax will come off because of the vinegar, and then it makes a slurry. You ever had pickle slurry? No. There's a reason for that. It's gross. Don't do that. All right, basically, and we can go really fast and just do this until we get to the white part. There we go. All right, perfect. We got that down. I need about half a cucumber. So there's that. I put this on this towel because, hey, look, what do you know? Presto changeo. I don't have a board full of stuff anymore. Okay, there's that. Now I will wrap this up and try and save that so I can use it for something later. But that only lasts a couple of days, so do plan ahead. All right, split it and then slice. I like them thin. If you like them thick, cut them thick. It's your salad. This is my salad. There you go. Cucumbers. If you say it that way, they taste better. Fun fact. I can prove it. Try it. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Did it taste better? I bet it did. I mean, I don't bet it did. It's like we're not exchanging money for this or anything, because, you know, it's a little tough to prove. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so the grape tomatoes. I cut these on a bias, about a 45-degree angle. You get this sort of thing right there. See? Isn't that cute? There you go. So just do that with the rest of these. I would have more, but these are all the ones I have. So that is it. All right, those are cut. Want to see something funny? Movie. Here you go. I swear to God, he likes lettuce. He really does like lettuce. Reba, come on. Where's your lettuce? There you go. Nobody believes me that my dogs eat vegetables, but they prefer lettuce. I got lucky, I guess. I think it's the crunch they like and the fact that they get to chew it and eat it and the whole thing. Normally dogs get in trouble for chewing and eating things laying around the house. So this is nice. Have you ever tried to give your dog lettuce? See what happens. I don't know. Anyways, moving on to green onions. I like my green onions to have, I want to know they're there. So I like to have them at least like 1/4, 3/8 of an inch, something like that. Not ribbon thin. Just enough that, you know, it's there, but not so much that causes any issues. And they get a little thin towards the top, and that's basically about it. That's all you get. That is all the green onion I have at the moment. I scalped the plant, so I'm going to have to put more plants in the ground, because that is pretty much all we got. Now, we are actually flying along with this thing, and this is largely about it. There is one secret ingredient I'm going to show you here, 2 secret ingredients in just a second, but we're going to right now get all this in here. I realize I'm not wearing gloves, but it's my salad. So, there you go. I'm going to save the green onions to put on top, because it's nice when you kind of do that. But this gets 2 more secret ingredients. Now that I'm done here, I'm going to reset once again and be back here in 1 second. All right, round 3 of ingredients. Now we have the treats. Now you can maybe tell what's in this, maybe you can tell what's in that, but this is the fun stuff that makes this the big salad. The protein and the crunchy bits and the fun stuff. This is crab with a K. It's imitation crab. It says with a C, but they used to spell this with a K so that you didn't get confused. This is not crab. This is fish that they press into a thing and all that. But what this actually, I've done this with actual crab. It sucks. This doesn't work with actual crab. So this is actually fantastic. It really is really good. I like it a lot. And I just grab a handful of this out of this bag here. You don't have to do anything to it except for kind of break it up, because again, it's a pressed fish product. And put in as much as you like or don't like, whatever it is. And there you go. That's my secret to my big salad. And you can break these up even smaller if you want to, because some of these are pretty good size. Like this guy right here, that's pretty good size. I'll actually just tear that in half. Or like this guy, yeah. Just get in there, just tear it apart. See that? Doesn't cost extra. Now you got more stuff. It's like you just doubled the amount of crab going in there. But yeah, you're going to use probably half of this package on a big salad like this for two people who are very hungry and want to fill their bellies, but don't want their bellies to be as big going forward. So, diet food. And the other thing is a little bit of non-fat cheese. Just kidding. It's regular cheese. But this is a mozzarella cheese. Oh, I don't know why this tastes so damn good in here, but there's that little bit of creaminess you get with it, and it's not a lot, it's just a little bit. I may have put a little bit too much in. Now the other secret is croutons, of course. A lot of times I'll make my own croutons. Didn't feel like it today. I had a million things going on, and so I grabbed the bag of croutons, which are not nearly as good. I will do a separate video on how to make croutons, because my croutons are next level. They're really good, but they are not diet food because butter and garlic. So you make good croutons. But this works pretty well. I'm not going to put the croutons on now because this is going to go in the fridge and stay cold for a minute because everything's been out. You want a nice cold salad. So I'm going to put this back in the fridge for about 20 minutes. If I put these in there, they're going to get soggy, and then that defeats the point of a crouton. So I'm going to seal these back up, stick this in the fridge. Come back, we're going to toss it, dress it, and put it in a bowl, and the video will be done. There you go. All right, everybody, it's been a few minutes. This is nice and cold again, and so we are going to start serving this up. First, I'm going to toss it. Really good. No jokes about that, because that's not family friendly. Please don't say those things. It's terrible. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then good for you. Okay, this salad is going to be yummy and super good, but to be photogenic, it's going to require a bit of work there. But I'm going to take the croutons at this point and put them in. Sprinkle them on here. Come on, this is a lot of salad. You're going to get a few good croutons in here. That's right, I'm using bagged store-bought croutons. It's a shame to sin. It's too easy to make your own. It really is too easy to make your own croutons. But sometimes you don't have the time, so you buy these. It works. They're not as good though. But they're about half the calories. Alright folks, that looks pretty done up there. Alright, so I'm going to start dishing up this. I know they have the things that, I don't know, I have some, I don't know where they are. I also have a really fancy salad bowl for this that's clear. I don't know where that is either because most of my stuff is still in storage. Has been for almost 2 years now. So much fun. Life got put on hold at some point and I'm still waiting. So if you have a house you'd like to sell for a reasonable price, you're crazy. All right. Here's the good stuff. Oh, look at this salad. Look at how big. That's why it's called the big salad. Right there. Do you see this? Just see this, and invariably the good stuff goes to the bottom. So we get the pretty shot on top of all of the pretty stuff. Oh yeah. Look at this. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. That's it. All right, going in. There, it's easier. Most salads are, done in a just dump it all in sort of thing, right? That's pretty normal. Okay, that's why they call it the big salad, not the little dainty salad. Cucumber fell out. Doesn't love cucumbers. And yes, it really does taste better. Green onions. We're going to just throw these in. These will find their way to the bottom and around in different things. They seem like they're on top. Trust me, the second you start rooting around in here, it goes to the bottom. There you go. Now, salad dressing. What goes good on this? I personally prefer Italian salad dressing. It seems to go well with the crab and things. Could you put different stuff on there? Yes, you can put anything you want on there. I don't care. That'd be your salad. You can put whatever you want. I like this, and this is my I finally found the salad dressing. So, moving to way up in the nowheres, you can't find this. So we went to the big city, and oh, lucky, well, we stocked up on this stuff. I will show you. This is my favorite right here. The Old Venice Italian by Girard's. Oh man, this stuff is good. It's great. Beats the crap out of everything else. But yeah, so I'm going to put this on here and dress this up, make it look all pretty. Oh yeah. Now, could you dress this while it's still in the bowl? Yes. Before you toss it? Yes, absolutely. Feel free to go ahead and do that if you want to. Not everybody likes the same salad dressing, so you can have different things, and people like different amounts. So I like it light on the salad dressing, believe it or not. I know it's a little weird, but other people prefer more. So this way, I get that. Anyways, I have to go in and get a bite of this. Look at this. Oh, isn't that perfect? The nice thing about putting light salad dressing on is you can always add more, but it's hard to take it away. So I'm going to take this bite right here because it has a little bit of everything in it, basically, except the cucumber. But I already had a piece of cucumber, so I don't have to say cucumber anymore. I don't have to. I get to. Oh, there's something about that salad dressing with that fake imitation crab. I hate fake imitation crab. It is as worthless as the fake butter, basically. But in this, it works. I don't apologize for that because I didn't invent it. I just found this one day as we had that. I don't know why we had that, and it became a thing basically because back then we were poor, and that was cheaper. So now nothing's cheaper. But yeah, basically, there's your big salad. That's it. It's super awesome and yummy, and I'm going to eat the rest of it, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this didn't take too long. I know I'm not the most energetic person at the moment. For some reason, I'm trying to drag this thing out all day. I apologize for that. I realize I'm a slow talker today. Normally, I'm flying through this. We all get in weird moods. And that was mine. So you've endured it. I thank you for watching. And I promise on the next one, I'll speed it up a bit. But thanks for watching this. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.